Thanks for joining me today. I'm putting together a quick demonstration of SnapComms client alert system, and we're publishing it through a Citrix XenApp server being displayed by a Wyse ThinOS device. So the first thing you need to do is download the Snap communications client from SnapComms. I've already installed it on the Citrix XenApp server. You need to publish it as an application. So you can see under my applications list I've already done that. SnapComms application. Here's the command line working directory path. And then you need to set up your Wyse ThinOS device to auto launch that application. So this is a WNOS.ini configuration that a ThinOS device pulls down to configure itself. So you can see I've got a very basic configuration here. I'm setting a domain name so I can log on, sign on equals yes to force me to log on, my VNC parameters there so that I can remotely connect to it and demonstrate how it works, and then my Citrix settings. PNLite server is my Citrix XenApp application server, and my auto connect list, I'm giving it a farm name followed by a colon and the published application name. This is the key to making the SnapComms communication client work, as it has to be auto-launched and running in the system tray on the Wyse ThinOS device. So let's VNC into my ThinOS device and take a look at it. So you can see right now I'm not logged into the device. I'm going to go ahead and log on. And you'll notice here in a second that it's going to be auto-launching the SnapComms. And look at that, we've already got an alert coming up. So you can see the SnapComms client running in the system tray. We're going to tell it to read this alert later. And I've essentially got this alert set up to recur every minute. So we'll see it pop up again here in a second. And you can also activate the SnapComms client from the system tray and view the message history. And here you see the alert coming back up again. So it did recur every minute. And it's a little bit slow because I'm connected through a VNC server, so you see some lagging there. But that's all there is to it. Thanks, guys.